YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, the sun is hitting your girl right. But anyway, today is going to be a day in the life of a lash tech part 2. The first video was more so of like a foundation of what goes on in the day-to-day basis being a lash technician, but today I'm going to go a little bit deeper into everything that I do. I've been getting a lot of questions regarding lashing, the process, like the steps to becoming a lash technician, what all is needed, good products and things like that, to my email and on my comments. And I'm so happy that you guys are interested. So I'll be doing an official question and answer video. And if you have any questions, just leave them below in the comments and I'll be answering them in that video. So make sure to leave all the questions that you could think of. I'll be answering every single one of them. If you're enjoying the lash content, then give my video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. But you love me, so I'm pretty sure you already subscribed, right? Yeah. Enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get started with the day. Before my client gets here, I have to take all of my materials out of this box, this travel kit, because I just had a house call the other day, and after it I was too tired to actually like unpack all my things. So I'm about to get everything ready for her. And basically, if you don't know, a house call is when you go in the comfort of your client's home, hotel, wherever they may be staying if they're traveling in, and you do their lashes there. So you pack up all your materials, take it over there, do their lashes, and then you have to bring it all back and unpack it. I guess I could just show you what's in my travel kit.
I keep a face mask, one for me and my client. I use medical tape. It's the best tape in my opinion to use because it really keeps a firm grip on the eye, and it's also medical tape. So for people with sensitive eyes, it won't like irritate them or anything. My lash band. Put my lashes on here. If you don't have a lash band, invest in a lash band because it increases your speed. My primer and cleanser. A few extra trays of lashes, just in case. A mirror. It's my favorite mirror. It has my name on it. This is a pretty good remover. You can get it from Amazon. It's a gel remover. But I'm actually going to transition into the cream remover. Some glue, of course. I've been using the Stacey Lash glue as of recently. My mister. Helps with irritation and burning. My tweezers. Aftercare cards, of course, for my clients. Glue ring holders. Also can increase your speed. Some spoolies to brush your lashes. A few cotton swabs. And cotton balls. And then outside of it, I also have a portable lamp, but I put that in the closet and I don't put it on there.
So, yeah, and then your lash bed, of course, which is what all this stuff is sitting on. So, yes, for sure invest in a travel kit or just like a little mini something that's portable where you can put all your stuff inside. While I wait for my client, I'm just going to go wash my hands real quick and then I'm going to show you how I prep for her appointment. So to prep for her appointment, I always get the tape ready and I just pull a piece off and then split that piece into two. And then I place it on the ends of my little rolly trolley thing. Oh, that's her. And then I'm gonna get my cleanser out. Play some music. My tweezers. Good morning. I'm sorry? Oh yes, and I'm gonna actually lock the door down. So I just wrapped up my client that you just saw. Right now I'm about to prep everything for my appointment at 12 p.m. but it's like 11:15 right now, so I have time to go run to Walgreens because I need to restock on cotton balls, some hand soap, paper towels, and all that stuff. So I'm about to get everything situated for her before I do all that, and then we're gonna take a little trip down the street to Walgreens. My favorite store as a lash technician, literally, Walgreens and Amazon. So immediately after servicing my client, when they leave, I wash my hands, which I just did. And then I go on to disinfect the materials that I use. So I'm just going to spray some 91% alcohol, which is this, onto my tweezers. And then I'm going to set them in my jar to get a new pair of tweezers from my next client. And the new pair of tweezers is usually the pair of tweezers that have been sitting in Barbicide. I literally used the rest of the extensions that I had on my lash fan on the last client. So I'm just gonna take these strips off and refill them with new ones. This is just my tweezer kit with the few extra tweezers that I have. And I'm just gonna use it. Just gonna peel. The empty strips off. Just like that. And then I'm gonna replace them with some lashes from Lash, which I've been using. I know in my first day in the life of a lash tech video, I was using lashes from Lashes. I switch up, what blanket is this, 13 minutes? I switch up lashes every so often. So today we're going with Lash, which you can find on Amazon. Find from Amazon. Just kidding. Not really. So these are 13 millimeters. I'm just going to go into the 13 millimeter spot right here and place this strip on top of that. Just like that. The main lash lengths I usually use on my clients are 15, 14, 13, 12, and 11. Those are my most popular. So I fill my humidifier, which is this right here, with eye drops that you can also get from Walgreens. And I know, quick tip. So eye drops aid in burning. So whenever the fumes are just too strong for your client's eyes, like if your client has sensitive eyes, then you go ahead and get your humidifier and just blow them on the eye area like that, and it'll ease the burning. Also, any redness that may come from lashing, it'll ease the redness. The redness will literally go away like that. So, put eye drops in your humidifier instead of water. Or you can have two. One for water, one for drops. Don't say I never helped you. All this free game. Okay. So everything else that I need to prep for my next appointment will be what I have to get from Walgreens. So let's go. full set that I just did, and I specialize in wispy lashes. So I give the girls wispy, I give the girls volume, I don't give the girls backlash. It's 1:54 right now, basically 2 o'clock. I started at 10 a.m. and I'm ending at 2. So that's 4 hours of work that I'm doing, and I made a decent amount of money. So yes, I will for sure say lashing is a great investment. I only lash on weekends because I do have a full-time job during the week. It's helped me in so many situations. Whenever my money is looking a little low and I get some appointments, it always helps out. So this is the aftermath. I have created a disorganized mess. So I need to get this cleaned up, get my materials sterilized, get everything back in order so that I can leave. I didn't get a chance to show me putting the stuff that I got from Walgreens away because literally when I got here, my client was pulling up. So I'm gonna just keep the camera rolling while I get things in order. Everything is done and I'm a happy camper. Now I'm just gonna head up out of here because that's all I have for today, and I'm about to go give me something to eat and just chill for the rest of the day. So if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Also remember, I'm going to be doing another video, just a question and answer on anything involving lashing. So if you have any questions, leave me a comment in the description or send them to my email. It's just janaehauser@ymail.com, and I'll definitely answer them in the video. So again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Turn your post notifications on so that you don't miss a beat, and I'll see you next time.